Hi, I'm William Mills in FinovateSpring in San Diego, and I'm pleased to be joined by Joshua March. How are you doing today, Joshua?
Great. Yeah, good to be here.
So Joshua, you're the founder and CEO of Veritus. Tell me, what is Veritus and what do you guys do?
Yeah, so we're an AI communications platform specifically for financial institutions.
Okay.
Now, in practice, that means that we're deploying voice and text AI agents specifically designed to handle regulated conversations with borrowers and customers in application funnel, origination, member servicing, general inbound servicing, collections, all the way through early stage to late stage collections.
Right. That makes a lot of sense. Well, what type of financial institutions do you guys serve?
Yeah, so today we're working with a mix of different lenders, from fintechs and non-bank lenders through to banks and also services and collections agencies. All of them generally in the kind of broad financial services and consumer lending space.
That makes a lot of sense. So why do banks and other FIs choose Veritus for this solution?
Yeah, so we have a very experienced team. I previously spent a decade building a contact center software platform that ultimately was actually in the first wave of chatbot automation 7-8 years ago, and which was ultimately bought by the public company Verint. And we have not only a very experienced team from an engineering perspective, but also from the industry with execs from Best Egg, PayPal, Lending Club, etc. And ultimately we bring a lot of expertise and understanding given our 100% focus on the space. And really are just 100% committed to figuring out how to make the world's best AI agents that can handle these difficult and very regulatory complex conversations.
Well, that was going to be my next question. Regulatory issues and compliance are top of mind at every financial institution. How do you guys address using AI and other new technologies to better serve both the financial institution and their customers?
Yeah, well, ultimately we think that the operational benefits from AI are so immense that no financial institution can really make the decision to be left behind. Right? It's like everyone has to make this leap. And so the question is not like, are we going to do it? It's just how do we do it in a compliant and safe way? And our philosophy is that by being 100% focused on the needs of these regulated financial entities and building in all of the compliance capabilities, not just in how the AI agents are speaking and the guardrails around that to prevent hallucinations and ensure compliance, but also in a TCPA-compliant outbound dialer, TCPA-compliant omnichannel orchestration. We've kind of built multiple layers of compliance at every single step, and we think ultimately that for a bank or a credit union, any kind of fintech lender, you have to pick a vendor who is completely focused and understands your needs.
That makes a lot of sense. Well, in closing, for those folks that aren't here, what is the one thing you want people to take away about Veritus from our conversation?
Yeah, I think the one thing is that if people are interested or intrigued about voice agents for servicing, they should come speak to Veritus.
Fantastic. Well, appreciate your time, Joshua. Again, this is William Mills with Joshua March here at FinovateSpring.